All right, so on this one I have negative 1a plus 5a. So that's like subtracting 5a minus a. That's going to give me 4a. Over here I have negative 4b. I'm going to jump over here to this negative b. So I'm adding two negatives to make a bigger negative. So that would be negative 5b. Then I'm just going to bring down my 10, my positive 10. This one is negative 2x, negative x. So anytime you have two negatives like this and you're trying to combine them, you're going to add them together to get a bigger negative. So negative 2x plus negative x equals negative 3x. Whoops, can't see that. Then I have a negative 4y plus a negative y. Actually, how it looks would be, just so you can see how it looks. So I have negative 2x, negative x, negative 4y, negative y. This is what it looks like. So when you're combining these two over here, and then you need to combine these two over here. Oops. Well, let's just do this one first. So I have a negative 2x minus x. Again, what you're doing is you're combining these two. I'm going to add them together. That's where I get the negative 3x because I added them together. And now I have a negative 4y, negative y. Again, we're adding them together to get that bigger y. So it comes out to be, just so you can see it a little better, negative 3x, negative 5y. If you're not sure about that, we'll go over that. Please let me know if you're having a problem with this one. This one does confuse people when you have two negatives pushed together. Pretty much what you're doing is you're adding them together to become a bigger negative. But again, if that confuses you, don't just skip past it. Let me know. I have a negative 3m plus 5m. So I'm going to take my 5 minus my 3. That gives me 2m. And then I'm just going to bring down my 4n because there's nothing to combine it to. So these are the answers to this slide.